कर्तव्यों का बोध कराती अधिकारों का ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही मिल सकता है सर्वोपरि सम्मान। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रैम्बल विद किसी और नए ब्लॉग में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू एवरीवन हु लाइक्ड माय लास्ट 2 वीडियोस ऑन जेपी यूनिवर्सिटी गुना, and I wish you shower the same love for my future videos too. Let's start this vlog. So far you have seen campus visit and Annapurna kitchen visit, and if you have not yet seen, request you to watch previous vlog too. I would like to thank you to management. They allowed me to come inside and visit the campus. It's my pleasure to spend a day in JP University Guna. Today we'll talk to role model of students, Mr. Shishir Kumar, Dean of JP University, Guna.
In fact, I used to visit this YouTube videos on different facilities many a time, depending upon requirement and other things. I'm telling you another major development which is there in the current dimension for young generation, especially for people like you and me. For any kind of assistance related to maintenance and services of devices etc., we used to love to go with the YouTube video only to get different kind of assistance. So it's a major phenomenon how YouTube became popular as far as I understand. I was telling you about this establishment of this institution.
Yes.
Purely it is running on charitable mode, I will say. The basic mode for establishment, you can say the input of fund, which I can say, is running in from three particular dimensions. One is support from industry, which is purely JP Group only. Other industry do not support us in terms of monetary values, I will say. Second, intake of fund, which is there from bank loan. And third intake is fee from students. And based on that, three sources, I will say, those three sources, I will say, we used to run this institution on a smooth way. As of now, even our bank loans are not that much. It is, we are paid a huge amount. But still, growth is in progress. Development will be in progress. So we'll keep on taking loan as per requirement. That will be as per need and plan of growth of the institution. As far as students intake are concerned, I will say we had seen an era till 2012 when the reputation of engineering college in Madhya Pradesh was very, very low. Till that time, we were almost at the top. This was the first university I had mentioned, established in 2010. And from 2010 to, I will say, 16 or 17, this number reached to the stage of 32 private universities. But when we compare the fee of this institution with other private institutions of Madhya Pradesh, the fee value, monetary value only, if you say, this is slightly higher in comparison to those institutions. The reason is twofold. One is that the quality of infrastructure which is being provided to a student in this institution is far better in comparison to other institutions of Madhya Pradesh. I am talking especially private universities. And the quality of talent which we used to attract from different regions of country for teaching resources like faculty members, lab staff and other technical staff, they are well paid. Even their pay scale is almost at par with UGC pay scale, but in many cases this is even slightly higher than UGC pay scale. That's why people are stable here. Otherwise, nobody will stay here. Everybody, especially in IT sector, wish to run to major cities like, at least like cities like Indore, Pune, Gurgaon, etc. So to retain the talent here, the group has planned, management has planned that we should pay certain basic facilities to all the employees here and slightly better salary even in comparison to government jobs. So that's why we have retained the talent here. And if we go in that dimension, the cost of study will definitely be high. We are being provided very good residential support here. 24/7 power supply is being provided even in case of power cut. 100% power backup is there with our own DG set. And 24/7 water supply is there. We used to pump water for Pragara pump station, which is almost 12 kilometers away from this place. Because this is 100% residential campus. Whosoever wish to stay, accommodation will be made available to them. Whether he is staff, whether he is faculty or whether he is a student, it is immaterial. Normally, most of the student and staff, I will say 95% plus staff used to stay inside the campus, even student. Those who are resident of very close by places, maybe Guna, Raghugarh, etc., they used to come up and down, they used to do up and down on daily basis. But I am telling you another fact, for students, those who can afford the stay in hostel, that is also not very costly, it is at par with the good institution in India. In some cases, this is little low also. Residents like, I will say, students whose parents are staying in Yale campus or NFL campus, they used to stay inside the campus itself. This Yale campus is just 5 kilometers away from this place. NFL campus may be 7-8 kilometers away from this place. But to get the better exposure, to enjoy the facilities which is being provided in terms of infrastructure or in academics, they used to stay. Even many residents of Guna whose wards are studying here, those students are also studying the campus. Sometimes on Saturday, Sunday, weekends, they used to go back to their home. When companies were not looking for Python professional, we had taken the input from different foreign countries, foreign experts, and added Python as a language in 2010 itself. At that time, it was not in high demand in India, but it was there in demand in US at that time. And last year, we had received a message from Deputy Commissioner Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Bhopal that for Bhopal region, they wish to nominate their teachers to come here to get the training in this direction. So we had especially organized program for KVS teachers, and in that program more than 60 teachers reached to this location. They had studied, they had obtained training for 3 full days in Python and AI, and they had appreciated the facility which is available. Not for profit institution, we don't wish to charge from any student who wish to learn little higher in comparison to other students. We used to encourage them, we used to support them. You name any company, any big company of IT sector or even with core sector, you will find every company used to conduct recruitment drive for our students. In IT sector, you should name Google, Amazon, Microsoft, whatsoever it is. Even with the capital wise, they are at very top level, or maybe in employee based level companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture. All these companies used to recruit our student at a large scale, I will say. But since you are an IT professional, you must be knowing well that recruitment policy of all these companies varies from one state or one company to other company, I will say. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, etc., they never used to focus on recruitment of students in mass number. Dell and similar other company used to recruit. And Amazon has last time offered a salary package of almost 20 lakhs to our 2 students. Google has selected 2 students.
I was going through the website,
Yes.
so I've seen everything. Even website I found very user friendly, so people can easily go and check out and they can update themselves with the what is the fee structure and everything.
Yes.
So I was watching like 16-20 batch. So many people placed in Amazon. And
Yes,
as you were
yes,
explaining.
that's true. And the best part I'm telling you for this reason is that 2 students who are placed in Google, both of them are resident of Guna. Their schooling is from Guna, and this has brought a break in the philosophy of people. Our philosophy of resident of Guna district is that they used to feel earlier that their wards are inferior to students who are studying in major cities like Indore, Delhi NCR, Bombay, Pune, etc. But this institution has given break to these 2 students. Aparna Dubey is a female and she is passed out from this Vandana convent itself from Guna. She has completed 12th from Guna. And Dev Agrawal, he has also completed his schooling from Vandana convent itself. So they have been selected by Google. And from Amazon, few other students have said they are not resident from Guna. Even at very low level, I will say there is a village close to this Ruti, and you might have seen in the website, there is a resident who even could not afford the fee. We had provided him support in terms of books, laptop, bicycle and other things to that student. Even bank loan has been provided to them with the support of our personal guarantor kind of thing. Paying capacity of his family member was not that good. But since he has taken his daring step to admit his daughter here, and based on different inputs, she was placed in company like Sony Ericsson. And she is working, as I remember, she is working somewhere in Pune, probably. So, from high level gentry, I will say those who are student from school like Vandana Convent and those who are student from a government primary school, both these categories of students studied here from Guna and they have been well placed in their desired company, I will say. Oh, that's very nice. Yes, I will fix your meeting with our Cisco instructor. He is working here. We used to encourage them to go for Cisco certification along with their students. You might be aware that in our 4th semester we are having a basic course on computer networks. After completion of that course, we used to offer this kind of certification program to our students without any additional cost. You might have heard, since you are related to Cisco, you might be aware that Cisco used to charge a heavy amount for enrollment of certification exams for students. But for our students, any kind of fee is not being collected. The program which they used to complete in 8th semester, that is being considered as an entry-level program for MS program at University of Florida. So after completion of this 8th semester study of University of Florida, they are being considered as a separate route entry program for their MS program.
Okay.
They need not to compete in terms of merit after that because they had already studied 6 months there.
Yeah.
So they have to only require minimum GRE score and After that, you will be given admission in MS there, and they used to relax their time requirement also from 1.5 year to 1 year,
Okay.
and from there they can get opportunity in many other companies also, including the companies which are established in India. But the major difference what we had observed based on feedback from those students who are working there, that offering from in terms of packages from companies who are recruiting from University of Florida is much higher in comparison to their offering in India. So these are the major things which I wish to mention to you
Yes.
as an input. If any other thing you wish to know, I can tell you.
Yeah. So I would like to say, sir, like I'm sure you must be the role model for the student of this institute because you are already tech savvy and you have done PhD in
Yes.
balancing,
Yes.
balancing internet servers. So I would like to request you to say a few words about education, like what is the main role of education for the students basically.
What I observed that I had seen my relatives who had studied, and I know there are two of my relatives who had completed their education only till 12th level. And even I know there are few of my friends who are not that much educated. But when it comes to their life, they are very successful in terms of their living being. They are earning well. They are earning well from their business. There is no shortfall in their living standards. There is no shortfall in the facilities which they are enjoying. This may be because of many other factors. But when we compare our thinking process, our imagination, or the kind of knowledge which we can share with the society, with our children, with our relatives, which will not be possible if we will not go for at least graduate level education.
Thank you, Shishir Kumar sir, for giving us your valuable time and full of information about the university.